Hello everyone. Today is the second lesson of TikTok operation. Why are we operating TikTok? These courses look directly at the catalog. The catalog has 2 points and analyzes them through 2 pieces. The first is that the current traffic is getting more and more expensive. The second point is information flow advertisements. I will explain the information flow as later. Starting from the first point, traffic is getting more and more expensive. Whether you are operating e-commerce or self-media, traffic is getting more and more expensive now. In the past, maybe 2 or 3 years ago, if you need to pay $1 for per click, now the price should have doubled. Everyone knows that when operating the e-commerce platform has a paid promotion to increase your paid exposure. For example, clothes merchants spend money to push their store to the front, and then users can search for you once they search for clothes. Regardless of whether the user clicks on the link to buy the product or not, the merchant has to pay for per click, which is getting more and more expensive. TikTok is an international app and is aimed at global users. TikTok facing a large group and area. TikTok currently operates in more than 150 countries. In first lesson, we said that TikTok has a creative fund, which if you have traffic, you will earn dollars. Every such platform will have a profit-making period at the beginning. TikTok is in a rapid growth period at the beginning. In that case, you can get traffic with a much cheaper cost comparing with e-commerce platform. The second is information flow promotion, which means spending money to promote on Google or other search app. The platform will give you exposure and traffic. For example, when people are sick, they will go to Google to find out what is wrong with them. But the first few search results are definitely ads. Some hospitals advertise themselves through information streams. If you click these ads, the hospital needs to pay for Google. Their customer acquisition cost is relatively high, but its relative stickiness is relatively poor. You can imagine that because he saw your ads on Google and then enter your website directly, there is no particularly strong concept for you. So the trust multiple is relatively low, resulting in the corresponding low conversion, which means 10 customers may only have 1 buyer. About this TikTok traffic, also known as self-media traffic. As a KOL from self-media, what is a KOL? They are opinion leaders in a certain area. People who have a lot of accurate product information, who are accepted or trusted by relevant groups, and have a greater influence on the purchasing behavior of this group, such as internet celebrities. Those who have a greater impact on your purchasing behavior are a big KOL. TikTok is a traffic pool. For example, if you have 100,000 fans on TikTok, then this is your entire traffic pool. You can slowly transfer these fans to your e-commerce exclusive website. In this way, you don't need so much cost, right? There is no need pay for information flow, so its cost is low. The biggest cost is posting and making videos on TikTok, which is labor cost. TikTok's conversion rate is high compared to the conversion of information flow. You can imagine that you have already marketed them on TikTok, and then attract them to your e-commerce exclusive website. You can sell your products easier. They have become your potential customer. For example, if you are a seller of press-on nails and you post ads on Insta every day, even if they doesn't buy it on the first day, they will potentially form a certain impression on this user. Another day when they wants to buy, they will remember that you are selling this, and they will buy it. So they become your potential customer.